Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through C1 Advanced, Open Cloze, exercise number CAE021. Let's start with question number 1. Job losses at this factory were all blank to the fact that the economy did so badly last year. The correct answer is due. The phrase due to is widely used to indicate the cause of something. For example, the cancellation was due to the rain. This collocation helps to clearly express the reason behind the job losses, making the sentence clear. A less formal alternative down can also be used. The phrase down to is more informal but conveys the same meaning. For example, his success is down to his hard work. This alternative is commonly used in conversational English. Moving on to question number 2. Football, or soccer, it's generally known in the US, can truly be called a global sport. The correct answer is as. The phrase known as is used to indicate a name or term that something is referred to by. For example, she is known as a brilliant scientist. This phrase helps to distinguish the different terminology used in the US and other countries. Next up, question 3. These are rubies and these ones are sapphires. Blank stones as these are very valuable. The correct answer is such. The phrase such as is used to introduce examples. For example, fruits such as apples and oranges are healthy. This collocation emphasizes the high value of rubies and sapphires. Here's question 4. I can't believe the ease with blank he convinced her to go. The correct answer is which. The phrase ease with which describes the manner in which something is done. For example, the speed with which he completed the task was impressive. This collocation highlights how effortlessly the convincing was done. On to question 5. Looking at these figures, it should blank obvious that the company isn't doing well. The correct answer is B. The phrase should be indicates expectation or advice. For example, it should be noted that this is a preliminary report. This phrase clearly expresses that the poor performance of the company is evident from the figures. Question 6. The high tackle in rugby is a serious offence. For blank, the player is usually punished. The correct answer is which. The phrase for which is used to give a reason or explanation. For example, he was late, for which he apologized. This collocation explains why the player is punished. Question 7. She continued dancing on the table, seemingly unaware or uncaring about what she looked blank. The correct answer is like. The phrase looked like is used to describe appearance. For example, he looked like he had seen a ghost. This collocation conveys how indifferent she was to her appearance while dancing. And now finally, question 8. Many animals, foxes and wolves hunt at night and therefore have good vision. The correct answer is among. The phrase among them is used to include specific examples within a group. For example, several friends, among them Jane and John, attended the party. This collocation highlights foxes and wolves as examples of animals that hunt at night. That's all today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.